Myself Dayanand with Learn and Earn YouTube channel, Excel Daily Dose Advanced Functions. We are on day 7, a very important topic, a very happening topic. I would say the one must know this formula when it comes to Excel. That is VLOOKUP. Widely used in most of the reports. I use it personally on most of my reports on my daily job. Right? VLOOKUP, let's have a look at it. And yes, Learn and Earn YouTube channel, subscribe for more videos. Keep supporting. That inspires me a lot to bring quality content on the channel. Let's begin. Right, I have the data here, employee ID, name, and the title. So these are all the employee ID. These are all the name. I have taken some cartoon characters name, the Peppa, George, Ryder. If you're watching cartoons like Papa Pig, another one is Paw Patrol, right? So the really interesting characters, interesting cartoons. You may spend some time watching them, right? So this is VLOOKUP. I have the employee ID. All I need is, based on this employee ID, retrieve me the name of this employee ID and the title. Simple, right? I'm showing only a small table. Again, this could be a large data of it could be even lakhs together, all right? So begin with equals. We look up, and there are you should clearly understand the four for the next 2 minutes. Okay, so there are four arguments what we discuss here. Number one is the lookup value. Number two is the table array. Number three, the column index. Number three, the range lookup. Right? So lookup value is the value that you would like to search for. Now I would like to search this employee ID 2015123 from the table. Okay, that is whichever you're searching for, that will be your first argument. Then, which is the table? So give the entire table. This can be entire sheet as well, right? Okay, this is the range. Then it is good to always lock the range, lock it by using F4, the function 4 key. Locked. Then we're moving with column index. Which column, once you find this employee ID, which column you would like to retrieve the data from? So I need the name in this particular formula. I need the name for this employee ID. Name is in the second column. This is column number 1 and column number 2. So we simply mention 2 number. Next, the last range lookup. Now, if you are looking at exact match, use 0. If you're looking at approximate match, use 1. But it is always a best practice to use 0, which means that to retrieve exactly only that employee ID data, not any other employee ID data. So must use 0 is recommended. All right, close bracket, enter. You get it, 2015123, Peppa. Now, if I change the employee ID 2014123, I should get Marshall, because this is where Marshall is. Right. Similarly, let me pick out the title of this employee ID. Again, we look up. Lookup value is my employee ID, and the table array is this is the table. Column index. This time, the title is not in the second column. Title is in the third column. Number 1, 2, 3. Column number 3, comma, and 0 by default. Just use 0 if you do that, makes it easy for you. Okay, just use 0. All right, close it. There we go. Senior engineer Marshall. And anytime you change your employee ID, not 7 2019, not 7, the Rocky, the lead processor. Perfect. This is all you need to know under VLOOKUP formula. So try it yourself. Go slow, go steadily. Slow and steady wins the race. We all know that. All right. So this is Excel Daily Dose. One day, one formula. Do not study more than that. Just take only 5 minutes of your day. One formula, one day. All right. So Excel Daily Dose. This is Dayanand from Learn and Earn YouTube channel. Subscribe for more videos and do share with your friends. Anybody willing to learn. Yes, together we can learn and earn. Thank you. Have a great time. Happy learning.